Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make bread pizza in the microwave. Start by prepping ingredients and a microwave-safe plate to speed assembly and prevent mess. Toast bread lightly if you want a crisper base, then add sauce, cheese, and toppings in thin, even layers. Microwave on high for 45 to 60 seconds depending on power, then let rest for 20 seconds so the texture firms up before serving. Measure and organize your ingredients before you start to speed cooking and reduce mistakes. Choose bread that holds toppings well, like country loaf or thick sandwich slices, and trim moist edges. Use a flavorful sauce and grate cheese freshly for better melt. Consider pre-cooking wet toppings like mushrooms or peppers briefly to avoid sogginess in the microwave. Layer ingredients sensibly to balance flavor and texture, keeping cheese closest to bread for adhesion and sauce sparingly to prevent soggy bites. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more microwave hacks. On another note, quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a surprisingly readable book about money that can change how you think about resources, even your snack budget, and it pairs nicely with tiny kitchen upgrades. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if it helps your thinking, grab it. Now let's get back to the video. Microwaves vary, so adjust time based on power and bread thickness to avoid rubbery or burnt results. Use short bursts and check between intervals, rotating the plate if your microwave lacks even heat. Let the pizza rest after cooking to let cheese set and moisture redistribute for a better bite, then garnish with herbs or a drizzle of olive oil before serving. Serve immediately for warm, melty texture and slice with care to keep toppings intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.